how to trade new listed token on Mexc and target results like this one here and this one here. On my today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can successfully trade new listed token on Mexc and make yourself some cool profit every single day. And one of the best strategies we have been using to trade, at the same time how to get it done with just your smartphone. 70% of traders like trading with their mobile phone, and a lot of them don't even have a laptop. So in our today's section, we're going to walk you through how to trade it successfully every trading day with only your smartphone. And if you're new to this, kindly pay attention. I'm going to walk you through step by step to make sure you understand how to get this done. The first thing you need to do is to create an account. Kindly check the video description. You'll see a link that will take you to Mexc. Kindly use my link, open an account. When you are done with that, download their mobile app, log in your account, and please be aware some crypto website is restricted in some country. Why open an account? Kindly use a VPN to open an account. In the video description, you can see some of the free VPN you can use 100% free. So let's go. To start trading, you need a good internet connection and a smartphone. With this, you don't need a laptop. On my next video, we're going to talk about how to navigate this with your laptop for those that like trading using your laptop, right? You're going to see this is our Mexc platform, and if you pay attention here, we have wallet here, right? I just lock in this. We have wallet, we have features, we have trade, we have market, we have home, right? So the first thing you need to do before you can start trading is to fund your account, right? To fund your account, I recommend you want to start trading minimum of $50, $100 is okay. Then you come over to this point, you click on deposit and choose chain, whatever method that's cool by you. There's so many options. You can use USDT, that's what I use, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever is cool by you, right? And then after that is done, please kindly be aware we are trading future market, right? We are trading new listed token, only the one that's listed on future market, right? So how do you get this done? After you fund your account, right, you got to come over to this point and transfer your funds from spot to future, right? Kindly pay attention to this. You got to come over to this point and transfer. What you're going to do, just click on max or any amount you want to transfer, right? You kindly transfer to the future. After that is done, you come over and click on market. You come over to this point here, click on market. If you click on market, you're going to see this point here, features, right? Good. This is all the feature trading pair that's available to trade. But on today's section, we are focusing on how to trade new listed token only. How do you know, and where do you see when a token is about to launch, right? And what are some of the strategy you apply to know if it's going to pump up or it's going to pump down? You stay with me to the end. That's the main purpose of this video, to walk you through, show you some of the cool strategy I've been using to make consistent money here. So what you're going to do to know when a new token is about to be listed is to come over to click on this search menu here. You're going to see this place where you see BMT, right? Click on it, right? And this is going to show, you're going to see hot session, right? And you see new listed. Boom, this is what we want, new listed. If you pay attention here, all the tokens here, all the tokens that you're seeing here are tokens that they just listed some few hours ago, some few days ago. And if you pay attention to this one listed soon. This is what we are targeting, right? So every 24 hours, what we do is to come over to our Mexc. Every time you're with your phone, you come over to your Mexc, open the future market, right? You click on market, come over to this point, new listed, right? Newly listed, and then you check if there's any available token that is about to list. It means you're expecting to trade, right? This particular token will be listed in 4 days, and some days we have up to 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities. After spotting out an opportunity like this, the next step is to wait, right? And immediately the token is listed, you go in. It's either you buy or sell. So this is how simple it is to set this up, right? If you're new to this, kindly watch it again, and if there's anything you don't understand, kindly reach out to me right now on WhatsApp. I will be more than happy to help. This is how simple it is to get this done, to know when a new token is about to be listed on your Mexc, and we should definitely help you to come in time and make some money. And the question is, how do you know if it's to buy or to sell? Because if you check around on social media platform, you're going to see a lot of people encouraging you to buy new project, right? But on my today section, on this tutorial, we're gonna go in with a new approach that's far different from what other people have been doing. If you pay attention to my screen here, you're gonna see these are some of the new listed tokens they listed a few hours ago. This was yesterday, this is today, and I make over $1,000 from this particular opportunity here. I make over $1,000 from this opportunity because I get it in time. The notification did not last long. They notify like 30 minutes before the launch, right? But my notification is on. Kindly make sure immediately you sign up, turn on your notifications so that anytime a new listed token is about to be listed, right? A new token is about to be listed, they're going to send you a notification. Always check your notification, right? So immediately I got the notification, I set up my account, and boom, immediately I get it. This opportunity did not even pump up, it just pumped down immediately, and we cash out big, $1,000, which I withdraw out everything while waiting for this other opportunity, right? So how do we know if it's to buy or to sell? If you pay attention to this one here, you're going to notice this market here is down, right? If you also pay attention to this one here, this particular one here is down, right? And if you pay attention to this particular one here, this market is down. Immediately the latest token is down, right? If you also check this one here, immediately the latest token, it was down and then later pump up again. But assuming you get in time on a good zone, you're still on profit, right? Also, let's pay attention to this. You pay attention, this one here was still down and later pump up again. So assume you get it in time, you are on a good profit. If you pay attention to this again, this one is even down and there's no hope of even pumping back up again today. And if you pay attention to this, right, the same thing also is even down. There's no even hope of going up again. If you check this again, it's down and there's no hope of even pumping up again today. So currently this week, for the past 3 days, we had this opportunity. One, we had this is 2, right, which is down. 3, right, this one is a bit up but still good profit. 4, right, how many? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Imagine having 9 opportunity in a week and all of them hit your direction. All of them hit your direction. So how do we do this, and why do we choose to go short when a new listed token is launched? It's because 90 to 80% of these new listed tokens, they offer airdrops. Right? So an airdrop is like a free money, and most of the people that participate on this airdrop are just these little boys that are looking for a way to make money from airdrop. So immediately they allocate these tokens to them. Immediately the token is launched, they are busy selling out those tokens, and it's affecting the project. It definitely made the project go down. That's number one. And the second reason is, before they list, they allow them to list this token on all this exchange. They must allocate some of their tokens to the exchange, right? And the exchange also share this allocation to people that join their pools, their staking pools, right? So most of the people, immediately they give them this allocation, right, they sell out their tokens immediately they launch. This is one of the main reasons behind we selling any new project. This is just the first one, and on my next video we're going to talk about some of the AI tools we are using to analyze, to know a particular token that have potential. In fact, that is like 99% sure of pumping down when it's launched. And they see a problem with all this. With you knowing all this, there's possibility of you blowing your account here over and over because of leverage, right? So kindly pay attention to me. How do you avoid this? Please take note, when a new token is about to list, this way you're going to see them. Let's take advantage of this. Let's talk about this one that I traded today. This is how to trade. You come over to this token, you come over to this point. After you click on 8, this way you're going to wait for the countdown, right? This way you're going to wait, and then you click on open position, right? If you are new here, this is how it's going to show. Kindly switch, make sure you switch to cross margin. If it's on isolated, I recommend using it on cross. Put it here, right? And I've withdrawn everything on my account today, so immediately new opportunities out like this particular one. I'm waiting for this where I gonna form my account again, because I noticed each time I leave funds on my exchange, I always you just look for a way to make profit. At the end of the day, I end up losing the funds. You understand? So I don't leave this particular exchange, right? It's meant for new listed token. So after I make my profit, what I do, I withdraw out my fund, and when there's the opportunity, I fund my account again and hit big. Then pay attention, they give you up to 50 leverage, and this is a tools for you to blow over and over. So please kindly be aware, I do not recommend trading with leverage, right? I know it would help you to make huge amount of money, but for me, I don't make use of leverage because I think it blew my account several times and I have to stay away from it. And when I started winning, it was when I started winning big on this platform, was when I stopped using leverage to trade. So I don't recommend you. So what I would recommend, maybe you can just leave your leverage on one, right? You can leave your leverage on one, and then when a new token is listed, example, this particular one that's up here, like check this example, this one that's about to be listed, this how it's going to be like. So immediately it is being listed, right? What you do, you click on open position, this way it's going to show. Then please kindly be aware, if you're trying to put in, kindly change this to dollar, change this to USDT, good, right? And then if you're trying to put a particular value here, you might not be able to get in that position. I experienced this several times. I only teach you this out of my own experience. If you try to sell, they will not allow you to, they will always show you errors or limitations. They will not allow you. So the fastest way for you, right, to do is to come over to this point here. This allow you to set how many percent, right? It allows you to set how many percent of your account you want to. You can see this 5%, 10%. All right, okay, this allow you to set up, and immediately you choose this particular option, it helps the trade to execute very fast without any restriction. So immediately the token is being listed, what you need is you come over to this point. For example, you have $50 on your account, then you come over to this point, then you feel like risking 10%, you come over and leave on 10%, and then after you check your chart and see that the coin is pumping up or pumping down, because immediately the coin is being listed, it's going to pump up. Sometimes it could pump up, some is going to pump down, right? Then you can choose to risk 10% of your account. You come over here and maybe you do 5% or 10%, right? Let's assume this is 10%. Then immediately done, you go ahead and click on short. Then sometimes they might not allow you, they might tell you because some token require a certain amount, right? Sometimes they might not allow you to use 10%, so you can decide to increase it. Maybe if they don't allow you, you can decide to increase to 20% and then try it again. If they allow you to get in, go and fine. If they don't allow you, you can maybe decide to increase it again, so maybe 30%, and check it out and click on open again, right? Assuming I have funds on my account, I could have opened this push. Okay, sorry, the coin is not being listed yet, right? And kindly be aware, you only do this when the coin is being listed, right? Good and fine. So this is how to get this done, and I don't recommend you using leverage to trade because it's the tools to help you blow your account faster. Despite the fact that the trade is going to go on your direction, man, but you're still going to lose. The painful part is you sell this token and all of a sudden your account blow off, and immediately your account blow off, that's when the token will keep pumping down and you're going to be you'll just be there crying, man. So kindly pay attention to this, right? So kindly pay attention to this. If there's anything you don't understand, reach out to me on WhatsApp. We'll be more than happy to help to make sure you win. Let's make some money in the crypto market together. So if you like what I do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Drop a comment, and I'm waiting to see you on my next video. Bye for now.